Meme review. 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 Meme review.
How's it going, y'all? Tex and Elevators here, and today I'm gonna be hosting meme review.
Meme review.
Oh, meme review. So this meme right over here is from me. Nothing. EAS mock YouTube video. Real EAS alert YouTube video. Rare and real EAS alert YouTube video. Real EAS that you hear / see on TV / radio. That is like mind-blowing. Okay, that's my meme for today. First person just got a severe thunderstorm warning in Savannah, Georgia. To be honest, I've done an entire video on this one. An entire video on this one meme. Go check it out. Oh, nice. So you done, okay, civil danger mock. So this one is a civil danger warning. What I was saying about the WR100. Nice, what's up with the antenna though? Recom! Mr. Com. To be honest, I made a meme video. Just if you hadn't checked it out, just go check it out, please. Oh, this one. Basically, it says upgrade. Go back. I said go back. The primary entry point system has issued an emergency action notification. A NOAA weather radio screen for Asheville, North Carolina. North Carolina. North Carolina. North Carolina.
I have nothing to do with this.
A KWRN screen for any scenarios. Any suggestions? Style was stolen from Clay Ranger 143. This one says Radio Shack. Seriously. To be honest, the WR100 has problems. We serve Tampa and all of it. There are no alerts in effect. Nice screen. That is a really nice looking screen. And this one is called Black Mesa.
This is WDFA 101.5 on the FM dial and 3.325 megahertz on shortwave.
So, I have Reddit now. I have a Reddit account now. Okay, so that is it with this video.